My baby took me to another place with a lot of cars, and we're going to show you one right now.
Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.
Although I've already ordered the Tesla Cybertruck, when I got a chance to spend some up-close and personal time with the Rivian R1T, I just had to share it with you. So here she is, and what an amazing, beautiful, futuristic truck.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.